This is a funnel cake factory in Pigeon, Fudge, Tennessee. We made it to the funnel cake factory, guys. Woo! Hello from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
We're about to get some treats.
Who is ready to check out the funnel cake factory?
They have something here called hot fudge cake, and it is absolutely delicious. We're here, it's our friend's birthday. He's in town from Florida. And this is where we're bringing him for his birthday treat.
Let's go check out the funnel cake factory. The sun is setting here in Pigeon Forge tonight. We're right off the parkway, across from the live alligators, and we're right next to where the old mill is. This is the old mill road. Right here, next to the old time photos, is the funnel cake factory, established in 1982. Alright, so we did order the hot fudge cake.
We chugged Mikey into it.
And then there's a list of all of the funnel cakes that they have here. We're maybe gonna get a funnel cake. We're checking out the menu now.
Okay.
Here's a look at their funnel cake menu. You can get a traditional or red velvet, and they have a bunch of toppings you can get. Sugar, chocolate glaze, caramel, whipped cream, fruity pebbles. Ooh, $2 for that. Crushed Oreos, strawberries, apples, peaches, ice cream. Lots of different options. Ooh, they have an apple pie, strawberry pie, a peach cobbler, an Oreo blast. They also have deep fried Twinkies. They can do deep fried moon pies, Oreos. So they have a lot of different options here. You don't just have to get a funnel cake. They even have food, hot dogs, homemade chips for $5. They have pork skins. I've seen those over here. Here's do you want some pork skins? There's the house-made chips. We make the funnel cakes right over here. Yes, here's our hot fudge cake. Yes, whipped cream. We want all the whipped cream. Yes. Thank you.
How many spoons would you like?
3, please. Aaron's getting our hot fudge cake paid for right now. Look, they also have a yummy popcorn here, caramel or cheese. And they also have Mayfield ice cream here as well. All the many different flavors of ice cream. You can get ice cream on your funnel cake if you want. Different cones for the ice creams. They also have soda, teas, lemonades. All drinks are $3. Here's the different options for the ice creams and how much everything costs. We got the hot fudge cake was $12. They also have a brownie sundae, banana split, floats, shakes, and sundaes. Here is a look at our hot fudge cake. It's like 2 layers of chocolate cake with ice cream in the middle, hot fudge all over it, and then whipped cream on the side. Is this a good birthday cake dessert for you, Michael?
Yes.
Look how amazing this is.
I got a big old bite. It's so good.
How do you feel, Michael? You can't even talk. I know we were gonna get a funnel cake, but I'm like, it's so big and it's filling. But we have yet to try a funnel cake at the funnel cake factory.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe should we take one to go?
Can you take it to go? I was just about to talk, and this is what Aaron did. You just dropped liquid gold.
I know. And now I'm making more of a mess.
Cheers. This is so good.
Yeah, only about 15 trees.
It looks like it would be the sweetest thing ever, but it's really not. It's like the cake is like perfectly balanced, not too sweet, super moist. They make it fresh here every day. The ice cream is delicious. It like the fudge and the ice cream, it just all goes together really well. Delicious dessert. Don't grow up. It's a trap.
I agree.
Don't grow up, y'all. We're trying not to. We're really trying hard not to. Yeah, after you just had a birthday.
Oh, but right here. Kim is behind the camera. She's turning 40 this year.
Don't tell them. This is my...
How old I'm gonna be in a month.
Ooh, your birthday's before mine. You're turning 43 before I turn 40.
We're just gonna skip over this one.
Skip over this birthday? What should we do for Aaron's birthday, y'all? What should we do?
It's literally in a month.
I'm not really sure what happened.
Where'd the
but
cake go? Don't look at me.
You dropped it on the table, that's what you did. Sticko, forking us, we're done. What'd you say?
So are we gonna get a funnel cake?
You want a funnel cake now?
I'm just so good. I'm like, oh, I could eat it later. We can take it to the go.
They literally just have bags of pork skins hanging from the ceiling. That's what I've been staring at.
And the popcorn smells so good.
I know, maybe we should try some.
I know, I'm like, I never care about popcorn until I smell it. And then I'm like, oh.
Maybe she'll give us a sample. They got pork skin flavors. They got plain, spicy, and barbecue. 3 for $20 or $7 a bag.
Low carb snack.
What kind of funnel cake is this?
Peach cobbler.
Oh, peach cobbler with ice cream on top. That looks so good.
Whipped cream and caramel drizzle.
Oh.
I'm just gonna pick you from
I'm not a creeper.
You are?
I am a creeper. They got a red velvet and that peach cobbler. They look so good.
So good. It's beautiful too.
Okay, so get a funnel cake too when you come here. But we're too full. We literally just ate dinner before this.
I was like convincing myself I could do it.
You can't eat no more? He's like, I gotta go.
But so good.
They have some yummy fudge here as well. Peanut butter, chocolate, caramel cheesecake, cookies and cream, chocolate peanut butter. You get it by the pound. Half a pound, $7, 1 pound, $13. All right, you guys ready to go do an old-timey photo?
maybe
Next
while Maggie's here we'll do that.
All right, we got some popcorn to try.
We did get a little sample to try. We've made room somehow for popcorn because it's basically air. So I have the buttered.
And I have the caramel.
Get a buttery one.
Or should I do butter? Should we do butter before caramel?
Is this cheddar or butter?
Butter.
Really?
That?
Butter.
Yes.
There's so many loud cars on the parkway.
It is nice and buttery.
That is very buttery.
Ooh, that's pretty yummy.
It's actually really good.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the caramel.
And they make this fresh here?
Yep.
Just hold it right out of the thingy.
I love caramel popcorn.
That's good.
Put a little crunch on it.
That's really good.
Only thing I don't like popcorn,
Get stuck in your teeth.
the kernels get stuck in my throat.
Don't die over there. Alright y'all, let us know, have you come to the funnel cake factory before? We should have got a funnel cake.
I know.
Mama said that we didn't, but we're so full we can't, we can't handle it.
We cannot do it.
Next time.
The hot fudge cake, if you've never tried that and you're trying to, if you're debating on a sweet treat while you're in Pigeon Forge, definitely try the hot fudge cake. It is absolutely delicious.
Yes, I agree. I was skeptical about getting it, and then
I know, when we walked in, I thought we were gonna get a funnel cake, and then all of a sudden we were getting the hot fudge cake.
I was like, oh, good choice.
Good
Mike
choice.
is like, okay, I saw the cake, I'm down for it.
But then I saw the funnel cakes, and I was like,
Those look amazing. They look
we saw
so good.
that peach cobbler funnel cake. It looked so
Next time.
Yeah.
good. Those peach cobbler ones, those were like $16. You can get like the regular one. I think it was $8, and then add the toppings like $2. So you don't have to go big and grand, but you can if you want to, because it looked amazing.
Yeah, so good. And fresh, everything's making it right in front of you, so.
Alright y'all, hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes, if you did, please hit your like button. If you are new to our channel or you have not subscribed, we would love for you to do so and join the K&E tribe. We like to eat all the foods and have all the fun, and we would love for you to join us.
Thank you, Funnel Cake Factory. You were great. We had great service. Everything was phenomenal.
We'll see you all in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.